Okay, I'm back. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, I'm Alex. This is Cancer Care Coloring. And it's been a little while. It's been, I don't know, 3 going on 4 weeks. So if you didn't watch the last video, it was just an update on what was going on with me and my cancer and a little bit about this Cancer Care Coloring. And so a couple of things. I'm feeling really good. I'm back to work. I would like to give a shout out to new subscribers. I've had a bump in subscribership since the last video. I think I went from 60 to like 75, so we're looking at that 100 mark. I'm looking forward to it. So the other thing that's going on that I have decided is from now on I really want the videos to be shorter. I would personally, my own ADHD, once a video is longer than 10 minutes, it better be something I love or I'm just not going to put the time into it. So to try to get people, hoping to get people to maybe watch through all the way to the end, I'm going to try to keep all videos from this point forward under 10 minutes, and I will actually speed it up faster to make that happen if I have to. So today, since I haven't done a drawing video for so long, and I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things, and I've only done one of these videos before, we're going to do another coloring page. And that's just me taking one of the drawings that I have already done. I scan them in at 300 resolution, and they're drawn on 11 by 14 paper, so they're nice size pieces. And I create my coloring page the way I'd like to have it once it goes into a coloring book. All right, let's do it. So real quick, I'm just removing the eyes on this because I want to put in the custom cancer eyes that I made, I don't know, a long time ago. Let me see if I can get rid of that background real quick. Just looks less or more inhuman. The more inhuman, the better. I want them to look just wrong. And I think these eyes help the cancer creatures to look just wrong. So we're just going to bring them back over. So that's just really quickly why I was cutting the eyes out. The red is temporary. I will be getting rid of the red. It's just so I can see, make sure that I've taken care of the stuff that I need to take care of. So, all right, back to it. So I think we're good here. I was going to add I have some little side cells here. If I go into my illustration scans, these little guys, I think this is the one that's done, cut out, cells cut out. basic cells, something like that. I would take these little guys and sort of scatter them around. I don't know if that's really necessary here because it's so noisy. I mean, I would make them smaller. Let me just see what one looks like, and then I just put it back in the background. That's not terrible. I have to tuck it back behind the frame. Where's the frame? Running out of room over here. We'll just get this guy. So I just want to see what it would look like. Yeah, sort of tucked behind that frame. I don't know, maybe a couple, just to give us a little bit more variety. If I'm going to put, whoops, if I'm going to put one. Maybe about there. Maybe grab a different one, this guy. And again, if I'm going to do them, I want them smaller. I guess I do like the way a couple of these might look in here. Just to give us a little more variety. I don't want it to take away from the real action. But just sort of giving it that, I don't know, that feeling like there's stuff floating around in the void, I guess. Let's change this guy up a little bit so he's not exactly the same as the guy up top. All right. All right. I like it. I like it. So I think that's it for this guy. I'm going to Control S to save, and we'll do the file print. Where's my file print? Oh. And let's send them to the printer. All right. And now I'm going to have the extra noise from the printer, so let me just stop for 1 second here. Okay, and we've got the coloring page. Let's see if we can boop. All right. So again, the settings, my lighting is not set up for the artwork today, so this is, can we see them? If I set them, maybe if I tilt them away from, there we go, if I tilt them a little bit. All right, well, that's him, and that's them, and I like it. I think it turned out all right. So we'll go from here, and next week, drawing should be, the video should be a drawing video, and thank you for watching and taking the time. There was no doggy break today, no dogs. I always do that just naturally if the dogs come to me, and they didn't today, so maybe it was just too fast. So next week, drawing video, it'll take longer, better chances for a doggy break. I don't want to wake her up. Willow's laying here. So first day of the NFL season today. Lions are playing the Cardinals, so go Lions. And that's it. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please consider. And I will see you next week. Peace.